You know, 8 out of 10 of us can't program our own VCRs. So we've developed a VCR remote control that allows you to program your VCR with simple voice commands. For example, if you want to record a movie on Channel 7 Sunday at 9 p.m., you just say, 7, Sunday, 9 p.m., 11 p.m. Just that simple. I just program my VCR. Voice Programmer can also control your TV, VCR, and cable box by voice commands, even change channels. 5, 7. I can control my VCR by voice. Pause, fast forward, play. But watch this, I can even zap past commercials in my tapes just by saying, zap it. The VCR Voice is not available in stores. For free information on this incredible breakthrough product, call now. Find out about this amazing new voice programmer. Call 1-800-326-5500, 1-800-326-5500.
Make a